2005 में आपने स्टार्ट की थी अपनी जर्नी इन दिस इंडस्ट्री। इतनी सारी कॉमेडी फिल्म्स आकर गई हैं, लड़कियों को ऑब्जेक्टिफाई करना क्या रियल कॉमेडी है?
यस, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ चेक्स होने चाहिए, बट कितना सैनिटाइज कर सकते हैं आप ह्यूमर को? सम थिंग्स आर जस्ट सपोज्ड टू बी फॉर ह्यूमर।
एग्जैक्टली।
इट्स नॉट फ्लैग बेयरिंग नहीं हो रहा है कि हम फ्लैग बेयरर्स इसके भी हैं उसके भी हैं। और आई फील आजकल इतना ज़्यादा चेक्स एंड सेंसर्स हैं सोशली, पॉलिटिकली, मॉरली, दैट उसके आगे ह्यूमर बचता नहीं है फिर, you know. I feel like it's a little bit
I get
you know what I'm trying, I mean it's a difficult thing to say, but again मैं डिफेंड बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही हूँ, everyone is free to have an opinion, पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर एक फिल्म अलग होती है। हाउसफुल का एक अपना टोन है, you know, like Pink Panther series has its own tone of humor.
A man with the best beard look. Yeah.
Vicky Kaushal.
Desi Boys or Houseful Boys?
Desi Boys for sure. Gangster. Tanu Eds Manu.
What?
Mangal Pandey.
Okay. Why?
Kill me. Kill me.
Hi everyone, this is your host Shreya, and today I'm in conversation with the most graceful and gorgeous sitting Lal Pari herself, Chitrangada Singh. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for doing this, but firstly congratulations for Houseful 5, loved your performance.
Thank you.
But I'm going to ask you firstly that Houseful 5 से एक ऐसी चीज़ जिसने आपके दिल को हाउसफुल कर दिया हो, मे बी इट बी इट ऑफ कैमरा मोमेंट और BTS सीन और अ सीन दैट यू लाइक इट, जो भी आपके दिल को बहुत करीब मानती है।
मैं दिल को बहुत करीब मानती हूँ। ओके, जो मुझको बहुत ही अभी तक मतलब which will be a very good memory for me is my action scenes that I've done. Yeah.
Okay.
I think क्योंकि मैंने पहले कभी एक्शन किया नहीं, और जितना भी मुझे करने को मिला, I don't know how much has actually ended up being in the film, लेकिन हमने काफ़ी शूट किया था and I loved it. मतलब I was like, so when I went on the monitor, जब मैंने जाकर देखा, मैंने कहा ये इसको रैम्प अप किया है क्या? Like इतना तो नहीं, you actually this fast. I'm like,
oh
wow.
my god.
I was so happy.
In one go?
Yeah, actually बहुत जल्दी हुआ, you know. मतलब मुझे लगा कि बहुत टाइम लगेगा.
Especially the climax.
Even the action team thought that, you know, we need more time. And we finished it so fast, like इतना जल्दी. They were like, form बहुत correct है और ये correct है. I was like, wow, it's like this is amazing.
Crazy.
So that was
yeah. But talking about Akshay Kumar, आपने देसी बॉयज के बाद खेल खेल में भी आपका कैमियो था and Houseful 5. I'm gonna ask you, देसी बॉयज में जब आपने अक्षय कुमार के साथ काम किया and in Houseful 5 till now, what change you have seen in him if you'll compare?
It's gone slightly grey. पर उसके अलावा मुझे नहीं लगता कि उनकी एनर्जी लेवल्स में कुछ फ़र्क है, परफॉर्मेंस ऑब्वियसली बिल्कुल भी नहीं, एंड सो यू नो, मतलब देसी बॉयज वाज अ रोमांटिक फिल्म और ये इतनी ज़्यादा कॉमेडी, तो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम एक्चुअली अक्षय को देखा है इन कॉमेडी मोड, यू नो, सो टू स्पीक, but he is so effortless, he was so good, और and a very kind, secure person, क्योंकि वो सबको जाके लाइंस देते थे, you know, रितेश तू ये कर ले, या अभिषेक ये कर ले, या ऐसे करते हैं वैसे करते हैं, you know. It's amazing वो कितने involved थे all the time with everybody's lines and performances, so that the whole scene works together. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ अपना लाइन या कुछ, so that's the one thing I constantly notice. बहुत ज़्यादा support, बहुत secure, you know, and fun. ऐसा लगता है कि he's only doing pranks, but his mind is...
Yeah, I was about to come in prank thing, because जितने भी आर्टिस्ट से मैंने ये सवाल पूछा अक्षय कुमार के बारे में, he is the biggest prankster. This is what I've heard a lot from a lot of artists. But आपसे मैं आपको अगर पूछूं कि ऐसा कोई प्रैंक आपके साथ अगर अक्षय कुमार ने किया, तो वो कौन सा?
पता है, वो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें कुछ ना कुछ करते ही रहते हैं. अभी मुझे I can't remember anything right now,
because
honestly.
There's so many
छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, कुछ ना कुछ कि अच्छा तेरा ये सीन रेडी है या कुछ है ना, you'll be ready there, the camera's not even on you and you're saying your lines, and you उधर do the camera's on you, and you're giving like a full performance like a fool, and the camera's not on you. वो किसी और का चल रहा है. So something or the other, like he actually मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो खुद को entertain करने के लिए pranks करता है, so that he remains entertained. But he's such good energy.
I know, right?
I know,
Yeah.
amazing.
And talking about Sanjay Dutt and Jackie Shroff, Nana Patekar, tell me one advice. Being a senior actor, कोई advice behind the scene आपको दी उन्होंने, या फिर ऐसा कोई moment हो गया that you felt like very admiring या फिर inspirational? Okay, that is nice.
With Nana and Sanjay Dutt and Jackie. See, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सबसे amazing चीज़ about these actors from back then is one, they understand the medium.
Of course.
उनको कैमरा कितना पकड़ेगा, एडिट टेबल पे क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, कितना परफॉर्म करना है, उनको सब like they understand that, मतलब instinct है, you know, it's so quick. They don't even have to read into it. And the other thing that I felt was कि बहुत effortless performance है. कोई इतना major, there is no major thinking या ऐसा कोई you know, plan the scene, कुछ नहीं है. They're so instinctive, they just go by the ear. And वो instinct इतनी correct है over the years, you know, that it just falls in place. So I think being effortless,
of course,
yeah,
effortless.
that's the one thing. Being real and effortless, that's the thing, yeah.
Of course, like उनको इतना सारा experience है,
इतना experience है, वो बहुत ही real है.
real है, yeah.
मतलब अगर action उन्होंने cut बोला है तो वो ही चल रहा है. Jackie is Jackie, Sanju is Sanju, but within that there's a performance. Superb there, yeah.
Of course, experience आपको भी है. 2005 में आपने start की थी अपनी journey in this industry, लेकिन इतने आपको अपना debut तो याद ही होगा of course, and after so many years इतनी सारी comedy films आकर गई हैं. Do you think there's a debate going on till now that लड़कियों को objectify करना क्या real comedy है? I just want to take your opinion on that.
See, मुझको ऐसा लगता है, and again, I'm not defending at all. मुझे ऐसा लगता है सबके opinions होने चाहिए, audience का opinion है, and I respect it. पर मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि हर film एक different tone और एक अलग meter पे बनती है. राइट, चाहे वो हेरा फेरी है, गोलमाल है, आप अगर इंग्लिश फिल्म्स देखें तो इवन पिंक पैंथर सीरीज भी अगर आप कोई मतलब पीपल हैव वॉच्ड इट, ऑल दीज फिल्म्स का एक अलग मीटर, एक अलग ह्यूमर, एक अलग टोन होता है, राइट. एंड आई थिंक उसी तरीके से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर फिल्म का वो सेट होता है. अगर आप बोले कि हर कोई फिल्म सेम ही मीटर में बनाओ, सेम उसमें होनी चाहिए, there is no variation and there is no difference. Yes, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ checks होने चाहिए, but कितना sanitize कर सकते हैं आप humor को? Some things are just supposed to be for humor.
Exactly.
It's not flag bearing नहीं हो रहा है कि हम flag bearers इसके भी हैं, उसके भी हैं. और I feel आजकल इतना ज़्यादा checks and censors हैं, socially, politically, morally, that उसके आगे ह्यूमर बचता नहीं है फिर, you know. I feel like it's a little bit
I get you.
You know what I'm trying, I mean it's a difficult thing to say, but again मैं defend बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही हूँ. Everyone is free to have an opinion, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर एक फिल्म अलग होती है. हाउसफुल का एक अपना टोन है, you know, like Pink Panther series has its own tone of humor. So I don't think there should be harsh judgment कि सब कुछ एक जैसा होना चाहिए. Like I was talking to Akshay and I said, we were just discussing this only, and I said you've done an airlift also. आपने पैडमैन भी करी है, आपने टॉयलेटिक प्रेम कथा करी है, आपने केसरी करी है. I have done हजारों, I've done इनकार, I've done films like which are very women, you know, empowering. And then there is this also, because we are actors and there is different genres to everything, you know.
It depends on variations. Yeah, I totally respect your opinion on that.
And we are adult people in an adult world, and I think we are capable of understanding certain humor. There's some things are about humor.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Totally agree. And you know what? आपने जितने भी actors, directors के साथ काम किया है ना, सभी डायरेक्टर्स का एक ही पॉजिटिव रिएक्शन आया है आपकी तरफ से. दे रियली अप्रिशिएट योर वर्क ऑफ कोर्स एंड यू डिजर्व इट. बट आई एम गोना आस्क यू दैट बीइंग एन एक्टर, द ओनली वन थिंग व्हिच इज वेरी चैलेंजिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू वेट अ लॉट. लाइक पेशेंस इज अ की. यू नो व्हाट, you have work sometimes, but years you don't have. You have to wait in that gap. But tell me honestly, do you feel like आपको जितना काम मिलना चाहिए उतना नहीं मिल रहा है?
I think ऐसा बहुत एक्टर्स को लगता है, एंड डेफिनेटली मुझको लगा है. समटाइम्स तो लाइक देयर वाज दिस पीरियड बीच में 2-3 साल का जहाँ पे आई मीन ऐसा नहीं कि काम नहीं आता है, पर जैसा काम आप करना चाहते हो वैसा काम नहीं मिल रहा है. तो फिर ना बोलना बेटर है बजाय इसके कि आप ऐसा काम करो दैट यू कीप एक्सप्लेनिंग कि मैं ये काम नहीं करना चाहती थी एक्चुअली, दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, यू नो, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन अपोलोजाइजिंग फॉर योर वर्क. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ऐसा काम करो कि आप सच में अभी ना खुश हो के आप काम नहीं कर सकते हो, यू नो, बिकॉज इट शोज देन इन योर परफॉर्मेंस. सो वो नहीं किया एंड ऑफ कोर्स उस वजह से काफ़ी कम काम भी किया. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इतने चूजी हैं. But having said that, I have taken breaks in between.
What do you do in that gap?
Personal. No, I did go. So I took about 7 years gap in between after my first film. Hit 2 years again because I also मेरी family, my personal life is in Delhi. Then I was working here, so I had to take some time off कुछ चीज़ों को manage करने के लिए. And I became a mother.
Of course.
So I'm very, you know,
lot
that's
in your plate, yeah.
Yeah, so that's also the reason why, and I'm very happy that I took that time off. So उसकी वजह से भी शायद, you know, कहीं ना कहीं काम affect होता है आपका. But yeah, always waiting for work, yeah. ये patience, I think, is the misery that every actor goes through.
Of course.
Every creative person, I mean, even directors for that matter. कि सही चीज़ कब
सही
आएगी.
चीज़.
और वो आपकी लाइफ में वही 4-5 ही ऐसी फिल्म होती हैं. आप किसी भी एक्टर, किसी भी डायरेक्टर को लो, आप वो एट द मोस्ट 5 फिल्में आप गिन सकते हो दैट यू कैन बी सो प्राउड ऑफ, यू नो. सो आई फील
Just waiting for the right time, right?
आई थिंक that's वो like वो ना ये जो एक पेन है that's for everybody. All
course.
creative people have to go through it.
But tell me honestly, what specific role Chitrangda is really waiting for? कि ये आ जाए ना तो मैं खुशी खुशी कभी भी any time any day कर दूंगी.
Yeah, for free.
Yeah.
I think action films I would love to. क्योंकि जो थोड़ा बहुत होता है ना, you taste blood. वो इस फिल्म में, हाउसफुल में जो थोड़ा सा एक्शन किया, I would love to do an action film. That would be nice.
That would be nice.
That would be.
Talk about that.
That'll be a lot of hard work. मतलब
Yeah.
challenging होगा.
Of course.
But I think I would
worth
love
the wait
to.
होगा.
Worth the wait, worth the sweat, worth everything.
Worth everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
And of course आपके काम की भी सराहना होती है, appreciations मिलती हैं, लेकिन आपकी beauty, आपकी graceful, the way you carry yourself, आप उस way में भी आपको काफ़ी compliments मिले हैं. But which is that specific compliment that you really want you to give, but rarely मिलता है वो?
Oh,
Which is that one compliment?
rarely मिलता है.
हाँ, but you want कि I'm working for it so much कि rarely नहीं, मुझे बहुत मिलना चाहिए.
I mean, as an actor, performance को लेके, of course, that you know, I feel कि जो भी काम है वो जितना ज़्यादा लोग देखे, like कितनी bigger audience हो उसके लिए, उतना अच्छा है. Like आपने काम किया, like इनकार is one of my favorite films of mine, और हज़ारों, but because it's not mainstream cinema, तो इतने लोगों ने शायद देखा नहीं है, इतना उसको audience नहीं मिला है, या फिर correct audience नहीं है for
Correct
that film.
audience is the right word.
So I wish that it was seen by more number of people.
Yeah.
So वो that would have been nice. क्योंकि मतलब हर creative इंसान ये चाहता है कि जितना प्यार मिले, जितना audience मिले, उतना अच्छा है. So a bigger audience would be great.
Yeah, would be great. And you know what, if you suppose, it's a hypothetical question here, you are manifesting to work with a Bollywood actor, like there are trio, okay, there's you and there are 2 actors.
Okay.
There is one Bollywood actor and there's one South from Tollywood actor. Which is that one Bollywood actor that you want to work with in a trio, and the South actor, like a 3?
In a trio.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You really admire, like you wish, you're manifesting to work with them.
I'd love to work with Ajit. I think he's
Wonderful.
very, very interesting, intense. I love to work with him, and I'd like to work with Shah Rukh, the king of romance. You know?
Of course.
So yeah, romance, the king of romance.
That I was expecting.
That would be lovely. Yes.
That would
That
be
would
a
be
great
nice.
trio.
That would be a great trio. My
Of
God.
course,
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. But before starting with the rapid fire, I'm going to quickly ask you, what's that one piece of advice to a newcomer, especially a female actor who really want to, you know, अपना talent दिखाना है, and she's an outsider, she don't know. Tell me one thing to her, if she is gonna step in this industry, what is that one thing जो उन्हें कभी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना चाहिए इन दिस इंडस्ट्री?
The one thing I would like to tell that person is that सिर्फ काम करने के लिए काम मत करो. You know, wait for a good part. Don't be in a rush. Impatience नहीं होना चाहिए. Be patient. It's very difficult. बहुत मुश्किल है. But wait for the right part. चाहे वो छोटा हो, it doesn't matter. Length doesn't matter. Even if you are there for 5 minutes in the film, 10 minutes in the film, लेकिन सही लोगों के साथ काम करो and correct part करो. क्योंकि अच्छा काम कोई नहीं भूलता and अच्छा काम can never be overshadowed by anybody else. So just remember that. I mean, don't go for ये launch, वो launch, इतना बड़ा part, 3 गाने हैं. Doesn't matter. You know, if it's not done right, if it's not with the right people, I don't think it works.
Yeah.
That's the only
That's
thing.
the best advice ever. Yeah,
That's
that
the
would work.
That should work.
That should work.
And उसके लिए be prepared. Prep,
Yeah.
prep. Work really hard. Not
And
just in the gym. Work on your diction. Work on your language. अपने craft को better करो. Perform. Understand yourself.
And believe in yourself.
Performance समझो अपनी, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है.
That's good. Okay. So we'll do rapid fire quickly. Okay. मैं एक पर्सनालिटी बोलूँगी और आपको जो भी पर्सन आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है कि दिस पर्सनालिटी मैचेस दिस एक्टर, you're gonna name the actor. Okay.
Name the actor. Okay.
Okay. A man with the best beard look.
Weird look.
Yeah.
Vicky Kaushal. Yeah.
Okay. Movie that you that made you cried after watching.
Rani.
Rani. Rocky or Rani ki?
Rocky or Rani.
Oh, okay.
That's the one. Ranveer made me cry. I have cried in that film.
Oh my god.
जब वो बोलता है कि मुझे किसी ने hug नहीं किया. और when he comes back and he says यहाँ पे तो कोई hug भी नहीं करता. Like, oh.
When you want to feel loud.
Oh my god. I cried there और मैं एक और जगह रोई हूँ उसमें. मैं 2 बार रोई हूँ उस film के अंदर. Yes.
Crazy. Okay, actor who had the best glow up transformation.
Glow up.
Yeah.
Wow, what do you mean by that?
Glow up transformation, for example, like be it in personality,
Oh.
look wise, or body wise.
Transformation. I think Sarah. My God, that girl is unreal.
Yeah.
I worked with her and वो बहुत hard work करती है. On her diet, she doesn't eat anything. Very, very focused. Amazing.
Good one. An actor till now you are excited to know more. जिनके बारे में आप जानना चाहते हैं. Excited. कि you curious enough. कि how is he or she to work with.
Hrithik. You know, I feel he's capable of so much. बहुत talented है. Would love to see him in far more exciting stuff, intense work. Yeah.
That's nice one. An actor जिसका comeback you're waiting. Just be back.
Come back. Come back, I'm waiting. Who's gone? I don't know. Amir is doing something now. It'd be interesting to see
Yeah.
Sitare
Yeah.
Zameen par. Who else is gone? Yeah, I have no idea. I can't think of anyone else.
Amir is a better one, I guess.
Yeah, I mean Amir, I haven't seen Amir on a big screen in a very
Yeah.
long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
वो वैसे भी usually बहुत लंबा break लेते हैं.
वैसे भी बहुत लंबा. I think everything is a comeback because it takes a year to come back on screens.
An actor who has a great sense of humor.
Who has a great sense. I think Saif is so funny. I've done a film with him. बहुत ही different sense of, बहुत ही wicked sense of humor है. बहुत dry humor है. But he
was Gen Z before only.
He is the funniest person. I laugh so much. It's almost like sometimes for me, वो 2 seconds लगते हैं to understand the joke and then I'm laughing because he's so witty. He's very funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. An actor who has a very attractive voice.
Voice. Oh. Mr. Bachchan. My God. I mean, who else?
Who else?
Yeah, his voice is as famous as he is.
Of
you know?
course.
Yeah.
Of course. Okay.
Yeah.
Lastly, choose one quickly, okay? Glam roles or new intense roles?
I've done a lot of intense stuff. Glam roles.
Sari or western?
Sorry.
I knew it.
I love it.
Yeah, you look good in saris more. Desi boys or houseful boys?
Desi boys. For sure.
Okay. Okay. Sari or red carpet gowns?
Sorry.
Still sari?
Still
Okay.
sorry, yeah.
स्क्रिप्ट पहले पढ़ते हो या co-star का नाम पहले जानते हो?
Script. Script and director. Two things.
Okay.
That's it for me.
Lastly, any film role you said no, but later you regretted?
Oh. Gangster. Tanu Waits Manu.
What?
Mangal Pandey.
What are you saying? Okay. Why?
Kill me. Kill me.
Okay,
Yeah, well.
past is past. There are I'm sure बहुत आगे आपके प्लेट में आने वाला है.
I
And
hope
touch
so.
wood, may you glow, may you shine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. बहुत
Thank
अच्छा लगा
you.
आपसे मिलके.
Thank you. Same here.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Chitrangada Singh and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.